What is up, YouTube fam? So today's video is going to be a little bit different. If you guys are new to the channel and you came across this video because you're looking at some beard videos or anything like that, welcome to the channel. My name is Jacob, or you may know me on Instagram as jjaybeardedbarber. Today's video is something new. I'm going to be starting a series because I did drop my own brand, the Joseph Signature line, and I'm coming out with new products and adding new products to the line. Each product I'm going to be dropping, I'm going to be designating different videos on how to use them, how I use them on my clients, and different styles. The first product I dropped is my shading pencil. This is great for filling in those patchy beard spots if you do have patches in your beard. Also ladies, if you're watching this, or men, for your girlfriend or wives, this is great for filling in the eyebrows, getting them nice and sharp. So make sure to check it out. I'll have the links and everything down below. Today I'm going to be going over how I use the pencil, tips, tricks on what I use it for, how to do a little bit of hacks to get your beard looking fuller and sharper. So this is the packaging. There is a QR code back here as well, because once you scan that QR code, that's going to be taking you to either the online store, my Instagram, where you could see a bunch of other videos or updates, and also to the YouTube channel. So you could click the playlist where you could get all these videos and see, say you get the pencil and you want to know how do I use it, how to use it on clients, you can go ahead and click on the playlist and I'll take you to all the videos that I have about the pencil. This is actually how the pencil looks. So it comes in 3 different colors. I have dark brown, black, and light brown. Beard color on mine, you could go with black or you could go with dark brown, just depending on what kind of look you like. If you like more of a natural look, I'll go with the dark brown. If you want something very sharp and dark, go with the black. And then if you have anywhere from a lighter brown, ginger, or like a blonde beard, the light brown will work with that. Alright, so first you want to just go ahead and twist the pencil to release it. And when you first purchase it, you're going to have to go ahead and scrub it off on your finger to get that first coating off so you can really get the color on there. As you guys can see, in these areas, I have a lot lighter compared to this side where it's a lot darker. So I want to match that to this side. So what you want to first start off with is working up from the bottom to the top. Alright, because what you want to do is make this area match all this darker area, and as you go up higher you want to make it lighter so it looks a lot natural and doesn't look sharpied in. Apply it. And what you want to do is go in the strokes and motions of the way your hair is growing. So if your hair is going straight down, start making little strokes down. If it's going sideways, make them sideways, so you make it look like hair. And as you can see, that's filling in pretty nice. Alright, see, look how much darker that looks now. This video I'm mainly going to be focusing on the top line and the mustache, the bottom and the back. I already did all that. This isn't a beard tutorial video. If you guys do want to go ahead and check out the video, I did do a full step-by-step walking through everything. I'll have it somewhere on here where you can click on it. I'll take you there. Now when it comes to lining up the top, you want to keep it as high as possible, but where it's fullest. So mine grows in about right here. So what I'm going to do is draw a faint line where I want my line, so that I can come in with my razor or my trimmer or my shaver and clean up everything above that line, and then we'll work on blending this in. We're gonna go about like right here. Either you could take your straight razor, if you're knowing how to use a straight razor that in. You can take a trimmer or some type of hand razor to do that. So this side I'm going to show you with the trimmer, the other side I'll show you with the razor. And you do want a trimmer that is, pretty sharp. It's pretty nice so that you get a nice crisp line. If you have a trimmer that's not as sharp and not a good blade, you're going to cut hairs that you don't want to cut. So these are my Gamma Clip trimmers that I'm using. I'll have the link down below. They have great and affordable trimmers. They have a whole line, so if you want something more expensive, that's one of these. or they have some more affordable trimmers that are around the $80 to $120 range that you could get. That's because of inflation, all right? I know trimmers used to be 60 to 80 bucks, but now, you know, inflation, values got to go up. But here we go. Go ahead and brush everything in. Now we're just going to do a little detail work and start filling these more lighter areas. And there you go. See? Supernatural, you really determine on how dark and sharp you want your line up. This is also a good reference on drawing it out so you can really see where you want your line so you don't go too low and makes your beard look a lot fuller. Also, it is water resistant. Stay tuned to the end and I'll show you guys how water resistant it is and how it won't come off if you start sweating or throw water in your face or in any circumstance, whether it's raining outside or whatever. And now we're going to go and do this side. I'm going to show you the difference of actually learning how to use a straight razor, because a straight razor will get it nice and sharp if you really like that sharp look. If you like it more natural, not too sharp, but it's cleaned up, looks groomed, this is a definite possibility. But if you do like that sharp look and you do use a razor, whether it's edging up areas, I'll show you guys on this side. Look at it, see where they meet at, and then meet this side, and then do the same thing. Opposite hand, pull tight. Keep the blade at a 45-degree angle and come straight down to that line that you created. And make sure to blow a bubble to get that surface nice and flat so you get a nice crisp line. Same thing, brush it all in. Or you can use the other side of brushing. I personally like this side better. I feel like it gives it a better blend, but this one helps cover a little bit more surface area. They do both come in the same package. And there you have it. Real simple, real easy. This takes no more than 2 to 3 minutes. Obviously this is an instructional video, so it takes a little bit longer, but if I was doing this to go out for a wedding or on a special occasion, a date night, or you just want to clean up your beard, put this in your beard routine real quick. Shouldn't take you more than 3 to 5 minutes to do. This side, as you can tell, looks a lot sharper because it was razored in. This side is without the razor, but still looks really sharp, looks natural, blends right in. Now let me show you guys the water test. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it all over on my hand, just so you guys can see. It's on my hand. That was the water test. So as you can tell, it's not smudging. You really have to smudge it off to really get it off. And there you go. Now I'm gonna throw some water on my face so you guys can see. Let me dry this off real quick. Like I said, came out 3 different colors. We have light brown, black, and dark brown. I'll have the links down below if you guys do want to purchase your own. I appreciate all the support. I'm going to be dropping more and more products. This is the first product I have. Make sure to follow the page so you stay tuned and stay up to date. Appreciate you guys. Hope you guys learned something new from this video. I'll be dropping more videos like this when it comes to other products. If there's certain things that you guys want me to explain or show different styles, make sure to drop them down below in the comments. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.